I'm going to pick today. We're going to do a sausage casserole. My choice. This worked the first couple of times, didn't it? Sausage casserole. That's what we're doing. It's going to be great. Good luck me. No, dude. Right, no, come on. This is not working. Sausage casserole. That's what's happening. In case you didn't catch it in the intro, today we're making sausage casserole. And I'm going to start off by browning them sausages. Got them on a medium heat. So they're done now. I'm going to just put them in a pot to one side. I'll put them to one side and then I will fry up the bacon next. That bacon's ready now. Let's add a little bit of, put them to one side. We're going to add a bit more oil to the pan. Turn the heat down just a little bit. And then we're going to fry up our onions. I'm going to add our sliced onions. Oh yeah. That's been cooking for about 6-7 minutes. There's not too much colour on them. I'm going to add the garlic in now. The reason why we don't add the garlic in at the same time as the onions is that the garlic would burn and then everything would taste bitter. So put them in afterwards and we just cook this for about a minute. I've got a teaspoon of paprika. I'm going to cook for about a minute with these onions. I'm going to put in half a tin of chopped tomatoes. I'll put in my 300 ml of chicken stock. I'm going to put in about 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. If you have some Worcestershire sauce in the house, put a tablespoon of that in. If you don't have any, don't sweat it. I'm going to increase the heat, get it to a simmer. Okay, so let's carefully pour this into here. So we're going to simmer this for about 20 minutes with the lid on. And then when we're 20 minutes time, we're going to put some beans in there. Oh yeah, beans. Mud beans dance. Okay, so this doesn't really fit in with the ethos as being a dinner party meal. If you wanted to drink wine with it, I would recommend a Shiraz. If not, I would recommend as a midweek thing, you're probably going to go beer. This is an amber ale Corey by a company called Woodford's. It's very good. Give it a try. Just been boiling away for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add about 100 ml of white wine in here. Okay, so that's been boiling away for about 15-20 minutes. I'm now going to put in a tin of baked beans. Cook for another 10 minutes. I'm going to serve it up with some mashed potatoes and maybe some peas.